Hi, you can become an Excel Pro. Mastering advanced Excel technique, you can solve complex data analysis problems faster. Would you like to understand complex Excel function? Would you like to become an Excel Pro in your workplace? This course will help you solve complex data analysis problems in workplace faster. How? Use this problem amazing Excel tips and case study to save time. Learn the advanced Excel function to analyze data. Prepare report faster than before. The knowledge you learn and practice will give you the power to work faster and smarter. Why mastering Excel functions is important for you? It's much easier and you discover the best method. Why? Here's what my students say. So shorten time to work on time or file. Traders help to look at our file when we pose questions on how. After learning macro, I was able to apply the macro codes to my money basis job. No others have this proven case study like we do. Case study calculate tier base, case study how to calculate working hours faster. Users the combination will break it down into 3 parts. And no other have this proven case study. Consolidate multiple sheets. Excel for macro, the converting your PDF faster than you think. Converting numbers to its equivalent English wording. The Malaysia ringgit. Our way. This is how your online course look like. You can play each video easily and there's no advertisement. You get this time-saving shortcut list right that no other give you, right? We have you. Purchase before this promotion date. For the first 10, you get this price. If you buy separately, you get this. An intermediate level will cover this. Advanced level will cover these functions, and yes, we give you support. No other have this proven case study for our package. The next one, split master file to server using macro and Power Query. No other have it. Automatic VLOOKUP, automating your pivot table, and also your Excel VBA Changes. No other have it. Proven Excel VBA Changes, right? It is no other have this. Basics Excel Power, beginner level, intermediate level, combining files in folders, advanced level, case and cleansing aging report. Faster, right? It helps a finance manager to go easier. Alright, so again, if you get package B, right? At this promotion price, right? Dates at this price. Okay. Individually, 127 for macro, Power Query 157. Support, you get my support. Right, you can see that Sunita have the questions and raising in my WhatsApp. You can also raise in my amazing Excel community. Right, there are questions asked. You get access to my private FB group also. Now, one last testimony from my student. It reduced a daily report from 30 minutes to 3 minutes. How to enroll? Back into this amount. WhatsApp, check your mail. Once you get logged into this email address, click on this login buttons. FAQ. Can I do a course at my own pace? Yes. What you get is a pre-recorded videos and so on, right? You get my support. You get my support. You get my support. I love to help my students reduce their time to prepare reports. Is that expiry date? No, there's no expiry date, right? I understand your concern. Okay, so you can learn at your own pace, right? Is this only a one-time thing or money? One time. Okay, so start learning and become an Excel Pro like my old over 3,000 students. Thank you.